Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce Einstein for sales automation workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Log into your Salesforce account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Setup option in the top right corner of the page. Click on Setup to access the Salesforce configuration settings. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Quick Find box. Type Einstein into the Quick Find box. Select Einstein Sales Cloud from the drop-down options. If you do not see this option, it may not be enabled for your organization. Scroll down to the Einstein Sales Automation section. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. You will be taken to a page outlining the features of Salesforce Einstein. Review the information provided to understand what Einstein can do for your sales workflows. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. A pop-up window will appear, requesting additional information. Fill in the required fields, including your business details and payment information. Once completed, review your submission for accuracy. After verifying your information, click on the Submit button to confirm your subscription. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. Next, navigate back to the Setup page. In the Quick Find box, type Automation to find available automation tools. Click on Salesforce Automation or relevant sub-options. Explore the automation features available through Salesforce Einstein. Configure your workflows according to your sales processes. Always save your changes as you make adjustments. To test your automation, create a sample workflow. Monitor the results to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, refer to Salesforce's help documentation for support. You are now ready to utilize Salesforce Einstein for your sales automation workflows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.